Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, click to start, type device manager and find out the network adapter. Extract this wireless. So wireless, Wi-Fi, WLAN, VLAN, this is Wi-Fi name. Okay, select this, right click to uninstall and then click to uninstall also. Okay, then next click to action, then click to scan for hardware changes. After that it will again, and then close it. Then click to start, network setting reset, click to setting, then network and internet, click on advanced network setting, scroll down, reset network and click to reset now. Okay, then it is done and then click to close. Next, check the VLAN service, it's working or not. Click to start, type services.msc, right click to run as administrator and then type WLAN auto config. Press W, scroll down, WLA auto config, double click it. If it is disabled, select the automatic, then stop, then again start, then apply and then OK, and then select again, and then left hand side you can click on reset setting. Then it is completed, then click to reset setting and then close it. Last and very important, download the Wi-Fi driver. So open any browser, go to this website google.com, okay, then type HP laptop driver and then hit enter. Then first link support.hp.com, select this, then click laptop. Now you can get HP detect automatically. You can click here, it will detect your system. Otherwise you know the model number and then you can type HP Pavilion 15, like which is using. Okay, then select the operating system, okay, and click to submit. Scroll down, select extract the network and you can see WLAN driver. Okay, wireless LAN means also Wi-Fi driver. Okay, select, click to download. After that it will start downloading. Open file, then guys next, I accept, next, now I'm installing. So guys, this is installed. Okay, and if you are using different model number and if you are confused about to install the latest driver of your Wi-Fi driver, LAN driver, so you can see the below link and you can fill out the form. My team will reach out your issues and your anything. Okay, thank you guys.